Okay. Hey besties, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I have got some hair packages to open with you guys. I ordered some hair from Shein and I just wanted to share the experience on how this hair thing is gonna go. So I bought 3 closures. We're gonna start with those. I got 2 body wave closures and they come in 10 inches. So I'm gonna open one. I bought these to replace frontal closures I had for wigs I already have. I overplucked the closure, number one, and I cannot install a frontal to save my life. So I was like, you know what, let me just go back to being a basic closure girly instead of trying to force being a frontal gal. This is what it looks like. It smells like typical Brazilian hair, so the smell is there, but yeah, the front is short. I don't know if maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but and it also has baby hairs. It's a 4x4 10-inch closure. It's like a natural black. It's not like black and it's not brown either. This is a curly closure. I have a curly wig and I overplucked it. Trust me to never pluck my wig again. I think it's the art of plucking that I need to get, because wow, this is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna have to like brush it out or comb it out or something like that. The smell again, it just smells like a typical Brazilian hair situation. With my order I used a special code. I'm gonna write it down for you guys on the screen and I'm also gonna put it in the description. This came free with my wig order. It's a red tail comb, lace tint mousse, 2 wig bands, wig glue, and a remover, and then a wax stick. So now onto the wigs. So excited. This is a kinky straight. Look at the closure. It looks pre-plucked. And is it pre-bleached? No, it's not pre-bleached. Let's look at the bald here. What's happening? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll have to comb it out. But yeah, this is the texture. Doesn't seem to shade, and I hope it's gonna stay that way. It's like typical shading, I suppose, but it's nothing excessive. And this is what the closure looks like. I'm gonna try this at the end of the video, so stay tuned because I want to show you the other one. This is a kinky curly wig. They were honest in what they were advertising, and this is the curls that were advertised, and this is what I got. So I'm happy. This is what the closure looks like. This is the inside. It's a glueless wig with a band. These are the curls. Okay. Flows really well. It's giving hang time. It's giving relaxed hair. First impressions, the lace, it does show. You can't say what lace. I can see the lace. This is the length. It's so soft. Yo. The lace is showing, but obviously with customization and putting foundation, it's gonna be invisible. 20 inches, obviously it's curly hair, so it's gonna be shrunken, but this is where she reaches. Okay, let me try it in a side part because I am a side part girly. Said I'm gonna keep them, I'm not gonna return them. Same thing with the closures. I'm happy. Thank you, She. Thank you for staying until the end. I love you for watching. If you loved this video and you loved the review, tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.